Today is 18 June 2021 and our today's video topic is what is JDK, JRE and JVM, and also we will see what is how is the architecture of JVM. So JDK is a software development kit, whereas is a software JRE is a software bundle that allows the programmer or coder to run the program, whereas JVM is a Java virtual machine or environment used to execute the program. The full form of JDK, JRE and JVM are: JDK means Java Development Kit, JRE means Java Runtime Program, and JVM means Java Virtual Machine. JDK helps developer to JDK helps developer to develop the code and run Java program. It is possible to install more than one JDK program on same computer. JRE is a piece of software which is designed to run other software. It contains the class libraries, loader class, and JVM. In simple words, if you want to run Java program, you need JVM, JRE. If we need to execute the code, we need JRE. Without Java runtime environment, we cannot run the program and we cannot see the output. So JDK contains tools that are required to write Java program, and JRE is used to execute them. It includes the it includes the compiler, Java application launcher, etc. And so what does compiler do? Compiler converts the written Java program into bitcode. Okay, and bitcode is converted into machine language via JVM, Java Virtual Machine. So Java application launcher opens JRE and loads the necessary class and execute the main method of the program. JRE contains class libraries, and JRE contains class libraries and Java Virtual Machine and other supporting files. It does not contain any tools like compiler, debugger, etc. Okay, so if you have to, in simple words, if you have to run Java applets, your system needs to be installed. No, your system JRE must be installed in your system. Okay, so without JRE, as we have seen, without JRE we cannot run or execute the program. So now what is the architecture of JVM? So architecture of JVM contains, first of all, class loader. Class loader is a subsystem of JVM, which is used to load the class files. When we run any program, first of all the class files are loaded into class loader. Okay, so this is the first step. After that, there are the JVM memory areas. Okay, so which are these? This class area, heap, stack, program counter, register, native method stack. These are the memory areas of it. So what is class area? Class area stores pre-class structures such as runtime, constant pool, field and method data, and the code of methods. Okay, heap is a runtime data area where the stacks are allocated. Where the objects are allocated. Stack. What is stack? Stack stores frames. It holds local variables and partial. It holds the local variables and partial results. And plays a part in the method of invocation and return. So program. What is program counter register? PC program counter register contains the address of the Java virtual machine. So what is the particular address of Java virtual machine is stored by program counter register, which is being executed. Okay, so which JRE is currently executed, which JVM is currently executed, that address of JVM is stored in program counter register. Native method stack. It contains all the native methods in the applications. Okay. Now next is the execution engine. So execution engines read the bitcode stream and then execute the instruction. And last is the Java native interface. Java native interface is used to communicate with other applications written in another language, the programs written in another language like C, C++. Okay, JVM or Java use Java native interface to display the result on compiler. So when we run the program, first of all JRE is need to use to execute the program. Okay, and JVM converts the bitcode into JVM converts the bitcode into machine language. Okay, with the help of JNI, Java Network Interface, the executed program or the executed result is shown on the compiler. Without JNI, we cannot see the program on compiler. That's all about this topic. Thank you.